I don't know if a lot of people know this, but if you use ChatGPT user interface, the data that you write there is usually also used for training the models. So whatever you put and paste into this chat user interface, that's usually is retrained. I think there is a config that you say don't train on my data, or if you use this private section. So there's a private section where you say, hey, this conversation is private, then usually the data is deleted after a day. But that's why I really don't recommend using this chat user interface, especially for something sensitive, because yeah, you're leaking a lot of data to OpenAI, and you're probably training new AI models using your company data, for example. All right, so now that we went through this, also I discussed about the training, the data models. What you can also use is to try to apply pseudo-anonymization. So whenever you, as I said, like the most things that are important for us is not to share personal data. But if you're just sending normal data that doesn't include my name, like your customers' names or emails, just like asking some questions, you can use the normal OpenAI. That's no problem. You can just connect with it and just ask it certain questions. Also solving some, let's say you have some FAQ tickets that is publicly shared and you want to answer the person with maybe an answer from this FAQ. So you also don't need to worry about all these stuff because you're not sharing personal data. So if you're saving the data, you try to also apply some pseudo-anonymization, try to remove these personal identifiable information within the data. There are some techniques that you can do to make the data like a little bit more anonymized, but this is a very big topic as well. But just so you know that you can technically use OpenAI and other services if you're not sending it someone's personal data.